Hello students, today I am going to solve some question of exercise 1B and also give you some question in the evening for practice. 1B exercise is related to operation of larger numbers. But before starting this, I would like to tell some important things related to this. The first thing is that whenever two values of different time are given, then to find the difference between them, we subtract the first value by the last value. Okay. Second thing, when the value or when the cost of one article is given and you are asked about more article, then to find the value or to find the cost of that, we will do the multiply. And when the value of more article is given and you are asked about one article, then to find the value of that you will do the divide. Okay, these both are opposite to each other, means when the value of one article is given and you are asked about the more article, then you will multiply, and when the value or cost of more article is given and you have to find out the value of one article, you will divide it. Okay, now start the exercise with first question. The first question is saying that the population of city was 3,54,976 in year 2014. In the year 2015, it increased by 68,438. What was the population of the city at the end of the year 2015? Okay, so how do you do this? The population of city in 2014, it was 3,54,976 and increased population till 2015 68,438. The total population at the end of the year of 2015, to find out that we will add both the value so that we can find out the total population at the end of the 2015. I think you can add it. It is very easy. Now the second question. You can see in book also, the value of A is given 7,43,000 and the value of B is given 8,100. First of all, you have to find which is the greater value. In previous video, I told you how to find out the greater or smaller value. Okay, so first of all, you find out which is the greater. A value is greater or B value is greater. So you can find it is easily, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In both the number, 6 digits are there. So in that case, I told you we just check the leftmost number, and in both the number, the leftmost number, in this number the 7 is there, here the 8 is there. So you can see clearly that value B is greater than A. Okay, value B is greater than A. Now how much is B greater than A? For this, you will subtract the value of A by the value of B, means you will subtract the 7,43,000 by 8,100, and after subtracting you will get the answer. Got it? Now the third question. As I told you, when the value of one article is given and you have to find the value of more article, you will just multiply that. Okay, whenever you have to find the more value of more article, you will multiply. Here is the same question. A book has 56 pages. How many pages will 5,326 such notebook have? Means one book consists of 56 pages. Okay, so how many pages will be there? 5,326 books. So the number of pages in a book is equal to 56. Number of total pages in 5326 book is equal to 5326 into 56. You will just multiply. It is the double multiplication. When you will multiply it, you will find the total number of pages in 5326 books. Okay. Now fifth question. It is very simple. In this question you have to add this question. A cricket player has so far scored 7,849 in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Means at present a cricket player scored 7,849 runs and he wants to score 10,000 runs. How much run he needs? So how do you solve this? Cricketer wishes to complete 10,000 runs, means he want to complete the 10,000. His present score of run this. Need to complete the 10,000 run. How much run he needs to complete 10,000? You will subtract present value, okay, present score by the 10,000 which he need. When you will just subtract the 7,849 by 10,000, you will find the runs which he needs to be 10,000. Okay. When you will subtract the 7,849 run by the 10,000, you will get the required run which he want to get. Now, seventh question. In an election, two candidates A and B are the only contestant. Means our election is there in which only two candidates are there. If candidate A scored 9,32,567 votes and candidate B scored 9,235 votes only, by how much margin did A win or lose the election? Okay, first of all, by seeing the value, this is the value of A and this is the value of B, means this number of vote is scored by A person and this number of vote scored by the B person. So by looking the both of the number, you can find that which number is greater. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, first digit 9, both are same. Second digit 3 and 0, and 3 is greater than 0, so this number is greater. It means A got the more number of vote than B. Now how much number of more vote A got? How to solve this? Number of vote of A is equal to 9,32,567 and number of vote of B is equal to 9,235. Okay, when we subtract the value or the vote of person B by the vote of person A, we get the more number of vote scored by person A. Okay, when we will subtract this value, this is the vote of B and this is the votes are A person. Just subtract the value of or the vote of person B by the vote of person A, you will get the number of more vote which person A got. Now the 14th question. The distance between two places A and B is 3 km 760 meter. A boy travel from A to B and then B to A, means first of all he go A to B and then get back B to A, every day. He does so every day. First of all, he go and then get back. How much distance does he travel in 8 days? How much distance he will travel in 8 days? So first of all, distance between A to B or B to A, is it the same? 3 kilometer 760 meter, and you know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, then 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. We have changed. First of all, we will change the units. Okay, then 300 meter, and it is already in meter. 760, we will add this, we will find the 3760 meter. Means we have just convert 3 kilometers 760 meter in meter. Okay, so 3 kilometer, you can skip these, you can skip this step also, there is no need of this, but you cannot skip this. So 3 kilometer 700 meter is equal to 3760 meter. Now we will solve the question. Distance covered in A to B is equal to 3760 meter. When he get back, the same distance covered in B to A, 3760. Total distance covered in a day, this. We will add both of the distances. So we will get total distance. So we will get the total distance 7520 kilometer. Means in a day he cover the 7520 kilometers. Okay, 7520 kilometer in a one day he covers. So we have to find the total distance covered in 8 days. To find the total distance covered in 8 days, we will multiply the distance covered by in 1 day by 8. Or when you will multiply this distance by 8, you will get the total distance covered in 8 days in kilometer. So these are some questions I told you. I hope you understood these all questions. In evening classes I will give you some more questions for the practice. Okay, so keep practice. Thank you.